that moment when you're on your phone or in a meeting and suddenly your notebook is filled with doodles? What if I told you those spontaneous scribbles could be turned into a real thriving business? That unconscious creative energy you have can be harnessed, package, and monetize into powerful ways, especially in today's visual content-driven world. If you're an entrepreneur, aspiring creative, or someone dreaming of escaping the 9 to 5 to gain financial freedom, this is your permission to look at doodling in a whole new light. Do you ever catch yourself doodling during a meeting or while sitting in class? You're not alone, and believe it or not, that simple habit could turn into a real business. Today, we're sharing how you can transform your doodle art into a profitable venture, even if you think your sketches are just random scribbles. When I was younger, drawing was one of my favorite hobbies. I used to draw for fun, and some of my classmates would even ask me to help them with their school projects because of it. Fast forward to adulthood, without even thinking, I found myself doodling during meetings, in classes, and even at work. I never felt it was a big deal until I realized there's a whole world out there where people are making real money with what I was already doing for free. And that's doodling. So you may be asking, what is doodle art? Doodle art is spontaneous, it's relaxed, and often done without any big plan. It's quirky, it's raw, and that's exactly why people love it. It feels real, and in today's world, real sells. Now let's dive into strategic, creative, and highly unique ways to turn your doodling into a scalable business that actually pays. The first business idea is to launch a custom doodle art brand. You can sell doodle prints, digital downloads, or commissioned wall art. Brand your art as quirky, fun, or minimalist, whatever your unique doodle style is. Use platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even local art fair to sell your doodle art products. For the tools, you can use your iPad if you have one, plus Procreate or Adobe Fresco, Canva for branding, and Printful for print-on-demand fulfillment. The second idea is to launch a doodle-inspired stationery and desk accessory brand. You can sell stationery products like notebooks, planners, stickers, greeting cards, notepads, mouse pads, and even pen holders, all featuring your unique doodle designs. What this does is tap into the aesthetics and study with me trend that's popular on social media. Target students, bullet journal lovers, teachers, digital nomads, and corporate offices. Your products can transform an everyday workspace into something fun and inspiring. The reason why this business idea will work is because people are spending more time working and studying from home, and they want their space to be a reflection of their personality. Doodle art on these items make them feel less like a generic office supplies and more like a curated personal collection. You can design your art digitally using an iPad plus Procreate, then use print-on-demand service like Printify, Printful, or Redbubble to put your designs on products. This eliminates the need to manage inventory, saving you money and time. However, if you're crafty and you want to create the products yourself, you can also use a Cricut machine, printable vinyl, or sticker paper to create the stickers and stationery yourself. Sell them through an Etsy store, Shopify, or a dedicated Instagram page. The next idea is to sell doodle fonts and design assets. You can sell digital doodle art in the form of clip art bundles, fonts, brand kits, social media templates, and desk or phone backgrounds. This is a business with minimal overhead and a wide reach. The demand for unique digital content is skyrocketing. Content creators, small businesses, and individuals are always looking for affordable, quirky assets to use in their products. Selling digital downloads on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market creates a passive income stream. As we mentioned before, for the tools, you can use an iPad plus Procreate or Adobe Illustrator. These are great for creating these assets. You will need to learn how to save your files in different formats like PNG with a transparent background and create attractive mock-ups of your products. The fourth idea is to create doodle design apparels and accessories. You can design and sell a line of clothing and accessories like t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, socks, or hats featuring your unique doodle art. Pretty amazing, right? This turns your doodle into a form of wearable art. Imagine people wearing your art. Sell them as limited edition drops or a niche-based design. Some niche examples can be mental health, introverts, or travelers. Try to think outside the box for those business ideas, but make it realistic in today's society. The demand for unique artistic apparel is high, especially among Gen Zs and millennials who prioritize individuality over fast fashion trends. Doodle art on clothing feels more authentic and less corporate than many other designs. Using a print-on-demand service makes this a low-risk, high-reward business. You can use a digital drawing tablet or iPad to create your designs. You can also use print-on-demand service to make it easier to handle all your printing, packing, and shipping, so you just need to focus on marketing your design with absolutely no inventory. The next idea is to offer live doodling at events. You can offer your service as a live artist for events such as weddings, corporate parties, or art festivals. This can be a high-ticket service. You can create custom on-the-spot doodle portraits of guests or live doodle at events as it unfolds on a large canvas. In the age of digital everything these days is digital. Everywhere you turn is digital, digital, digital. A live hand-drawn art experience is a unique and memorable form of entertainment. It offers a personalized souvenir for guests and adds a creative flair that stands out from the typical event entertainment. You will need your preferred drawing tools like markers, pens, large papers, or digital tablet with a projector, a portfolio of your work, and a website or professional social media presence to attract clients. You will also need to know how to price your service for a per hour or per event rate. The sixth idea is to start a doodle press-on nail business. You heard me right. In the world of fashion, where everything is glam, 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 you can start a custom doodle press-on nail business. You can sell hand-painted, made-to-order press-on nail sets, brand your nail as wearable, unique art that offers a safe and convenient alternative to salon manicures. Use platforms like Etsy or Shopify and leverage social media like Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok to showcase your work. For the tools, you can use nail tip, a UV or LED lamp, various colors of nail polish, fine tip brushes, and dotting tools for creating intricate doodle designs. You will also need packaging supplies to ship your products, including glue, file, and branded boxes. Make it aesthetic because you want to attract your customers with your doodle press-on nails. The seventh idea is to start a doodle-driven content and community brand. You can create a brand centered around doodle art by sharing your artistic process, offering tutorials, and building a community. This business model is about content first, with products as a stationary but highly profitable revenue stream. People today don't just buy products, they buy into a story and a personality. By sharing your journey and teaching others how to doodle, you can build a loyal and engaged audience. audience. You can then monetize this audience through various channels, including online courses or workshops. So teach people your specific doodle style or how you use certain tools. Teach beginners how to turn doodle into digital art or therapeutic journaling. Offer free mini courses as a way to build your email list. Subscription boxes. Offer a monthly doodle box with unique art supplies and exclusive prints. And brand partnerships. Partner with art supplies companies or other brands for sponsored content. For this business idea, you will need a high quality camera or phone for recording, video editing software like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro, and a platform to host your community like Patreon or a private Discord server. You can also launch your courses on Skillshare, Udemy, or Teachable. These tools here are about creating content, which is your main product. The next idea is to start a doodle theme YouTube channel or TikTok page. With this business idea, you can earn via ad revenue, brand sponsorship, merch, and affiliate links. Some content ideas are time-lapse doodles, doodle challenges, tutorials, and behind the scenes. Use niche hashtags to capture your audience attention like doodle art, satisfying doodles, daily doodle, and the list goes on. The ninth idea is to sell personalized doodle portraits. Offer custom family, pet, or couple doodles. Promote on social media, Etsy, or through influencer gifting. Use Fiverr or Upwork to start gaining clients if you're new to this business. Another idea is to collaborate with brand as a doodle illustrator. License your doodle or create content for brands. Reach out to companies with a strong visual identity or who wants a playful rebrand. Build a Behance or Dribble portfolio showcasing your doodle work. The 11th idea is to publish a doodle-based book or Vine. Sell a guided journal, adult coloring book, or motivational doodle design. Create niche titles like Doodle to Distress or something like 31 Days of Confidence Doodles. You can use Canva to create it and Amazon KDP to sell it. The next idea is to create doodle-inspired wall murals. You can offer your service to create custom wall murals for businesses, homes, or public spaces. This is a large-scale art project that can command a high price. Now, businesses and individuals are constantly looking for ways to make their space more unique and visually appealing. A custom doodle mural is an incredible way to brand a space and add a personal touch that can't be found anywhere else. This is a very high-scale, high-profit business idea. You will need high-quality acrylic paint or spray paint, various brushes, projectors for outlining designs, and scaffolding or ladders depending on the scale of the projects. A strong portfolio of smaller work is essential to showcase your skills and secure these large commissions. The next doodle business idea is to offer corporate wellness doodle workshops. Charge premium rates for team building and mental health focused art sessions. Highlight the stress relieving and creative benefits of doodling. Also offer virtual and in-person option to scale this business. So the 14th idea is to host sip and doodle events locally or while traveling. You heard me right, while traveling. To do this, you can sell tickets or partner with cafes and wine bars. Combine social experiences with art therapy. So for the bonus, if you travel often, you can host these in different cities and different countries and build a global audience. The next idea is to create doodle tattoos and collaborate with tattoo artists. License your designs and work with studios. Curate tattoo-specific portfolio of line-based doodles. Have a dedicated Instagram page where you can use hashtags like doodle tats or micro tattoos. Another idea is to start a custom doodle art mascot and character design service. You can offer your service to small businesses, content creators, and individuals to design a unique doodle style mascot or character. This mascot can be used across their branding from social media avatars to merchandise. A memorable mascot gives a brand a personality and helps it stand out in a crowded market. Many startups and influencers are looking for a quirky, authentic feel that a doodle character provides. This is a high-value, business-to-business service that commands higher prices than selling individual products. You'll need digital drawing programs, like we mentioned before, iPad, Procreate, or Adobe Illustrator to create the character design. You will also need a portfolio showcasing your past work and a professional online presence to attract clients. Freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can be a good starting point to find your first client and build a good reputation. And the final idea we have for you today is to build a doodle-based brand around mental health or affirmations. Sell products with doodle affirmations like journals, wall art, water bottles, apparels, and affirmation cards. Partner with therapists, coaches, or wellness influencers. Focus on burnt out recovery, confidence, and self-love. Now that you have so many ideas to choose from, what if I'm not techie or a digital artist? The good thing about doodling is that you don't need fancy tech. Yes, we mentioned you can use an iPad. However, you can start out just doodling on paper, take a picture with your phone, clean it up with a background remover tool, and upload it to Canva or Photopea. Listen, if you can write your name, you can doodle. And if you can doodle, you can sell. To promote your business, try not to be too salesy. Don't worry if you're not a marketer, just tell your story. People love seeing the process and the person behind the product. Record shorts like Draw With Me Reels. Share how you started doodling in school or in meetings. Use trending songs or time-lapse videos. Remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to be relatable. Get paid for what you already love doing. I didn't know back then that my little habit doodling during school or at work was actually a skill. One that people are paying for every single day. You don't have to be a real artist to start a doodle business. You just need an idea, your unique style, and a strategy. Start where you are, sell one product, build a small shop, let your art speak for itself. You already have something valuable, which is your creativity. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 or want to build something fun and freedom-based, doodling can be your door to financial independence. The key is to think beyond just drawing. Think systems, think products, think lifestyle. So next time your pen hits your paper, don't stop at the margin. Build an empire from it. Are you ready to launch your own doodle brand? Drop your favorite idea in the comment section below. Let's turn scribbles into scalable business. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more business ideas, and let's get paid to do what we love. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, keep doodling, and keep believing in yourself. You got this.